Hi there guys, Tornado Alley again, and I summoned something. And it doesn't say. Don't worry about it guys, I summoned something and it doesn't say. I'm not issues with other people are choosing. What?
So you've chosen a bomb.
No.
Have you really?
No. So, what's this? Nice. So, okay, let's do it. Got some weird people here. So, yeah. Oh, retro night. I haven't had this in a while. A couple of months. Oh yes. Also shelter key. And I can just sit. Where's all the keys? We got one in the morning. So maybe I can just run around and wonder where's Clara. Clara Yuki
Not to get mixed up with
1995.
our cat Carla. I'm Clara.
Clara.
And the cat's Carla.
Okay.
Really similar name. Oh no.
Oh, what's this? I had 3 of these. I had 3 of these ones. Tonight does that. Now going to be 2 of the same thing. I just saw. Who died? Who died? Who died? 8 people left. If I go closer. It's like EF4 coming towards 8 people died already. If they easily. Guys. Maybe I should go and if I go there's a tornado. Not my babies. If I turn around after you think you're fair? You're even going to play.
Yeah.
This is your
I'm
favourite
hiding
game.
from the tornado. I'm still alive, right?
Yeah.
I survived. So
Because you're cheating.
I didn't cheat.
Okay.
I was in a really good spot.
And not even.
Now
Yay.
now I need to move, don't I?
Hope I won't die. I'm very far away. It's my nuke I summoned in the last video. Oh no. I'm dead. Oop. No, I'm not. Okay, good. Do you have a broken leg? Okay.
I survived.
Let's look at the cameras, see who's going to die. Out of 6 people. Someone might have a broken leg. I see someone right in the distance near a building. He's dead. I just see he's dead. Oh, 2 people died. People died out of 6. Look at that. I'm gonna jump down there. Any friends of mine? Okay. What's this? If light is green, safe outside. If light is red, not safe outside. Okay. Nice, I learned something. Okay, so I'll be the end, guys. So I survived. And bye, guys.